Let me show you one simple way of getting the solution out of this equation. Just follow me to the end and see how it will be solved. This one you now rearrange, and you have x plus 15 and will be equals to 8 root x. Let the root x be at that side. So to make it easier, now you square both sides. So you square this side. This one, the result now will be x squared plus 30x plus 225. You can verify it. I just do this way. This one now we have 64x, because this one will just cancel out the radical. This one now will become x squared plus 30x minus 64x plus 225 equals to 0. So the equation now will become x squared minus 34x plus 225 equals to 0. This is the equation that I'm going to solve now. So you think of two numbers in which when you add, it will give you 34 minus 34. And when you multiply themselves, it will give you 225. The numbers are 25 and minus 9. Minus 25 and minus 9. So you replace 34 with it. This one you have x squared minus 9x minus 25x plus 225 equals to 0. So you now group them. So x squared minus 9x in one bracket plus minus 25x plus 225 all equals to 0. So you now treat the brackets separately. The first bracket, what you have here will be x into x minus 9. And the second one, 25 is common, so you can factor it out. Minus 25 into x minus 9 all equals to 0. So you have here will be x minus 25 and x minus 9 all equals to 0. Now, for this to be true, either x minus 25 equals to 0 or x minus 9 equals to 0. Therefore, x will be equals to 25 or x will be equals to 9. That's the final answer. So this is the solution to this question. X will be equals to 25 or 9. Please help me share this video. Alright.